Hey, good afternoon. This is Mike, Global Trading Software, and we're back for our 2 p.m. afternoon session on a Wednesday. Been a beautiful day. Had some great trades, and I want to show you something. Look at silver right here. I think it's taking off, but correlation's coming in because guess what? Look at that, 6-star, 6-star right here on the NQ, guys. And we are going to enter this NQ just about right now, as a matter of fact. So we're just going to jump the NQ right here. I entered at the 151.22 because it's telling me the trade manager is saying stay in it, so I'm already in it. And $300 up just like that. Boom, called it perfect, and we're still along. So there you go. Managing the trade, not worried about it. This thing is, though, I should have my stop losses come up. They didn't. It's all right. So what I'm going to do is put my stop on here for you guys to see. Boom. Here's my stop down here. Okay. And this will be my entry. Well, you can see my entry. My entry's right there. So there's my stop and my entry. I'm $1,000 up already. Happy day. So this pushes me way over the amount today for trading. I mean, I've had a wonderful day. I do 33 this morning, 1,000 on silver, another 1,000 on the NQ. So 3, 4, 5. I think I was $7,000 up this morning. Now I'm pushing 8 or 9. So really good trade day. Pushing up to that 25, 28 level again that we were on earlier. So we're in the long on the NQ. And looks like the 37.25 is actually a good profit target. So 37.25 is right here. And this is where I'm going to be trying to take my profits if she'll roll up to here. If she breaks 37.25, I'll stay in. But right now, that's my potential profit area is the 37.25. So if you're just joining me, you've seen it go right to $1,000. And trade manager's got me staying in it. So we're good to go. Still got a major move going up here, pulling away from the bears. That's what we want to see, it pulling away from those bears. Bye, bears. See you later. This is good. So I'm trying to get to the 37.25 for my target, and we'll see how it goes. But just down here is my stop. This is where I bought in the 12. I bought it at 12.25, right on the money. So right there, $800 up. So that's awesome. I'm gonna get in here. So there you go. I got that text off somebody. Come on in, and we're still waiting for this thing to go up again. And it looks like we're trying to pull back. All right. And it's great too because I've got 2 different charts running here. So I'm 300 up on one and 400 up on the other. I got 2 of them. Beautiful. So I'm not worried about the pullback right here. This is just a pullback, so it's not a big deal. We're still showing long. So we're still showing the long move here. Oh, that was a bad move. Somebody just texted me or something they did. Bad move. So yeah, silver will crush you, man. That's why I don't trade. I don't try to. I make sure I'm strong on silver before I try to trade that. I mean, that's just a crusher. Gotta be careful with silver. So you guys see it's pulling back to 120 now. I'll wait and see if it pulls back. But we're still showing the upside of this market, so I'm not worried about this pullback at this point. Still waiting to see what the trade manager is going to tell us. Stay in it. We're still staying in it. We got a little bit of a lighter scion here. We still got high volume, and that's what we're looking for, the big high volume candles. So we're looking at this and going, okay, well, we're kind of coming down. It's just a pullback of the day. It's just a pullback. And, if it takes way down to here, then yeah, if it gets to this resistance level, I would probably lose a lot and get out. But it's just a pullback of the upside of the market. So right now we're still showing an up market. So I'm not taking my trade off yet. Now, I am trading my sim because I can't trade my real one today because of my cable man's here working on my house. So tell me, do not use your live because you could lose signal. So far it's been good. I did shut down during lunch, let him work some more on it without having to worry about it. But he's not done. He won't be done until probably maybe tomorrow on it. But yeah, this is really coming crashing down here. Crashing down, but it's still in the long. So it's still showing going up. So we're gonna wait and see what happens here. I could have took this profit of $1,200 right here though. You guys seen that, so that's cool. I'm just doing what the manager says to do, staying in it until we get a change here. There's a pretty bad little change in this red candle. It's got high volume to the downside. So I could have probably got out here and saved a little bit, but we're still showing an up market. So I'm going to wait and see how much it pulls back up to the top side. Just never know. Will she reverse is the question. Yep. So there you go. You guys seen I was way down. So trade manager is saying to stay in, so I'm staying. And it's looked like to me she's still wanting to go up. So I'm going to hold on to this. I'm going to hold it. I get all these. If you guys hear a beeping, that's my system when guys send me messages about the VWAP and all that crap. I don't have time for a VWAP. If you notice, I don't have no VWAP on here, no bands, no nothing. I've got the trade manager, the algo, the EMA, divergence, and support resistance, and that is it. That's all I need. I got the four things that comes with the bundle, and the three things that comes with the bundle, and I got the manager. Well, four actually. I got the bias down here too. So I got the four things that comes with the bundle, and I got the manager. And outside of that, the only thing I don't have that's part of it is just my support resistance. That's it. So I don't need all them other things on here. Still trying to pull back. She's going to pull back right here a little bit. We'll see. I'm going to hold it. Just going to hold it for a minute because I do believe this is going to reverse. Hey, Nicola, I'm just looking at this reversal, trying to see if the trade manager. I should have probably got out of this one, but if it hits this bottom one down here, then I'd definitely be done. But it's still showing a bullish market. So even though it's showing neutral, but it's still bullish. The bulls are trying to break it. And there you go. I'm definitely out of that one. So I definitely took a loss there, but it's not really a loss on my sim. So can't trade my real one because of my cable guy. How can you get the quality of picture better? I don't know. I mean, I ain't never had any complaints on it. I mean, I can widen it out, stuff like this, but it's my cable guy's here too. Remember that this morning I have him working on my house, so that might be why. Yeah, that's a big time fall here. So good afternoon, everybody out there. We're just kind of hanging out this afternoon. See what we can get. Look at this big fall right here. Gee whiz. No, you could short the crap out of this. Because this is going to tank. Just saying. Ping. Who says you can't make your $1,000 right back in an instant? But yeah, my cable guy's here, so that's what it was. I was asked as the well-timed streams. Are so you guys saying my streams at 780? I don't have anything to do with that. That would be Damien have to fix that on his end because he would have to go in there and change that for us. Yeah, because he can change the screen settings. I can't change those. Look at this, guys. Boom! Big fall. Slam. Oh, mercy. I told you I'd take that $1,000 back just like that. I'm not letting big trades like this get by. That's just retarded. So, man, it's no brainer. This was going to fall. You know what I mean? Wait to see how far she'll go. Yeah, I think that's what it was. And his stream is like 220 or 720. I can't, I don't have any charges. Oh, there's the 6-star. Ha ha. Look at this, guys. Beautiful move. Here's the 6-star right here. Okay, so our entry is going to be down here. One tick below this, about the 943. Okay. I'm already in anyways, but still. Right there, 943. I'm gonna go ahead and just I got all my stuff on, so you guys will be able to see my stop loss and all that. So we're good. And I'm gonna probably take. Yeah, I don't know where we're gonna do the profits at. Probably down here somewhere about the 989 or somewhere. But we'll wait and see when she breaks this. She's got to break this right here before she goes back down anyway. Yeah, I got into this. I'm $200 up. I was 1,000 up. It pulled back, but I could have took that grand here and this grand here. So that's another $2,000 a day. But I'm up $500 already inside this trade. Here comes the 600, 700 with the trade manager. So I got in it. We got divergent. We got divergence, but not the divergence we need to see. But it will come. It's gonna fall. So boom, there's your entry right there. The 4043. Excuse me. Yeah, 4250 is where I got in at. 42, 1942.86 is where I made my entry, but I'm already up 1,400 on it. Yeah, I did 1,000 up, and now did $1,200 up to the up move right here, and now I just did another 17 coming down, 18, 1,600 bucks right now. I just caught this right on this candle as a 6-star came in. That was a blessing right there. There you go, guys. Boom. Here she comes, buddy. $2,000. Wow. That's amazing. So I'm gonna go to my other chart over here, see if I can find the bottom here, guys. Yeah, looks like we could be right about the 23, guys. Maybe 23, 21 area. I'd say somewhere between the 30 and 21 is where she's gonna probably stop. So I'm just gonna say 20. Well, I'm gonna put my target right at 22, which is gonna be right here. Okay, there's my entry right there. So boom. My stop is going to be right there at the 21. Okay. That's my profit stop. Let's see if she'll take it out. Oh, and there she comes. Down to the 26, 27, 25. 2,400 up. So man, I had a $3,000 trade this morning, 1,000 on silver. That's 4,000 on the NQ's 5, 1,000 here against 6. And then I had another 700. So I think I was up around 7 grand. So now I'm up about almost 9,000 for the day with this $2,000 trade. Yep, 21. Yep. You take profits where you can, guys, because I don't really know if she's going to tap the 21. She might pull back and kill us, but right now she's showing down market, so we're still good, guys. We're still good to hold this. This is a pullback of the down, so just kind of hold it here and see. But just think about the upside of this is going to be nasty too. So it could be really good, but she's still showing the downside of the market, so weaker candle. But you got that high volume coming in here, real high volume, so higher than volume candles, man. They're coming down, so trade measure is saying stay in. So that's what I did this morning. It made 3,300, so it was kind of cool. It just had to consolidate and break its range because it was ranging all this time. See all this ranging? This is all ranging. So once we got out of the range and broke up, we finally got a way to move back down. So that was nice. So still showing down right now, but she's trying to pull back. So you guys take your, if you got profits and want to take them wherever you want to. She's going to pull back hard right here. But I'm going to stay in it and see. Oops. Yep, and that's my indication there. I'm going to bail. So I bailed because I don't like this one right here. So, and you can get it. You're supposed to get out, hold it and wait, but I can always rejoin the fall again if it comes back to here or back to, back to the 43 here and pulls back down at 42.95, 43. I'll get back in it again. But okay, that was a great trade. Great trade. But she's still showing down. It's really funny about this. There you go. She's got a yeah, this is really, it's still showing down. So the 54 is showing down. Let's see. As long as she's above the 60, we're good because there's resistance at that 60 right here. Right there. Here she comes. She's trying to come on. She'll try to pull back here. This is a pullback, guys, of the up. She's going to probably try to go right back down again. Yeah, that's what it's doing. We'll see something really great. Watch. I'm shorting it right now. Shorting it right back down. There's a short inside an up candle. And that's 360 bucks on that short right there. I just took off that candle as I seen it reversing. See, she'll pull back down for us. There's another 360. Oh, it's been a good day. It's been an amazing trade day. I don't think I've done a lot of good trading, but man, today has been on the money. I have really made a ton today. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys the news real quick because this got an alert. Let's see what's happening with the Feds today. Let's see what we got going on here. The Fed officials see inflation goals hit, divided on the taper minutes. So that's what's going on, guys. It says here the Federal Reserve officials widely concluded they had attained their inflation goal while still needing to progress on their employment mandate. So that's what they're looking at. And that's why you see craziness in the market. Daniel, it's still in a down. It's still, guys, this is still a bearish move. It's still the bears are still in control of this, even though it's going back up. And just letting you guys know. You'll watch this candle pull down. You'll see what I mean. See what I mean? Dun, dun, dun. That was cool. I took a little short right here on this candle, 360 bucks, 1,000 down here. I had 1,200 up here. Then I went down to 1,000 down here. So that's 23. 300 there is 26. That's $2,600 right here, just in this one trade, three trades, plus the 7 already had. 9,300 bucks, plus 4 grand last night. I'm stepping all over the market today, guys. Stepping all over it. Definitely trying to break now. Okay, she breaks the 68 right here, guys. We might be in business for a big up move. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about right there. Boom. That's 68. Okay. But she's still showing a down. So as you can see, she's still showing that down market. But it's getting ready to go bullish here in a couple minutes, unless this thing breaks down again, which if it's going to break down, I bet you it's going to be right here. We'll have to see what happens. I'm excited. Oh, and by the way, guys, tomorrow I won't be doing the morning session. We got a special guest coming on. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Special guest. So you guys come in tomorrow and see the special guest. I will be on, but I just won't be running the room. He's going to do special guest tomorrow in the room. And you guys will get to see that in the morning. I can't believe this thing's not showing a freaking reversal. Oh, no wonder it's not showing a reversal. Dang. Hang on, guys. I was wondering why we didn't show the reversal, and now I know why. Duh. Let me change this over real fast. Some other screen over here. We would have been all over this because there. Okay, now we are in the long, guys. This is a long. Boom, right there. Bye. Then I'm gonna wait for mine up here. So it's in a long. Before we go up, but I'm gonna hold it anyway. She's in the long. These bears are wanting to take it back though, but they're not going to get it right here. They're just not. I'm telling you, it's not going to happen. You guys a freebie this afternoon. Till we get an alert. We'll get some more alerts. I know we're going to get a 6-star buy right here. Probably so. Watch it break this and get the 6-star candle. I'm going to die. Okay, you guys see them up 240. 4 contracts will always trade anyway. So you say money making machine. Well, I got really confidence in my trading. I can tell you that, guys. I'm not playing anymore. So we're still showing the long, still showing the bulls in control here on the flip side of our down, which is good for us. So at least we get to cover. Some of you guys had losses this morning from that tipsy topsy crap. So we're going to get you back to where you were. And I'm good about that. I'm good about helping guys. Some guys say, hey, I was down $400 this morning. Hey, guess what? You're not anymore. You're back because there's your $400, dude, right there. I aim to please. Who's in it with me? Anybody? Jane, are you in this? How about you, Nikolai, Daniel, Edward? You guys in this trade? You guys can see my stops way down here. 73. Entered right there at the 80. Yep. Taking off. We're going to make money, boys. I love Paul's system. because I have got this thing down to a science, man. I can take, there it is. I can take money anywhere with this trade. I don't know what it is. Something just happened to me last night. I can take money anywhere with a trade manager. I mean, practically anywhere on any chart in any time frame. It's just like something magic went off. It's just crazy. It's just nuts. All right, guys. So we're still up, man. We're still up and we're doing good. It's still bullish. And look, we're in a neutral market making money. Everybody's sitting on their hands. Here we go, guys. Get ready to pump right here. Boom. Come on, let's go up. Still showing that I'm not getting out, guys. We're still showing a run. So I'm staying in this. No, you're not. Yeah, you might have joined late, but you're all right. You're all right, man. You're okay. I'm just trying to get back some of the guys this afternoon. Had a few morning losses. They said, I said, you know what? I'm gonna help you get those losses back, man. And I just did. So we're good there. Now we have this resistance level, which I'll show you guys right here. And this is part of global trading software. We try to help our customers and our friends. We don't consider you guys customers. You're our trade friends. You're part of the family. So if you're down, in the morning and we kind of had a crappy morning or something, you're only down $300-400, let me know because we can fix that. I was down $300-400. I fixed it. Okay. So we're good. I really wasn't down though. I'm up $9,000 today. So I'm up 10,000 now, over 10 grand today. I was up 9,300 until I took this trade. So now I'm at 10,000, well, about 10,400 for the day. Plus the 400 I made last night with Daniel live. Close to 15 grand in 24 hours is not bad trading, man. That's an amazing trading right there. Like I said, this trade manager really woke me up. So woke up a sleeping giant, trade manager. Hey guys, $1,000 up on the screen there, but guess what? I'm trading my sim guys also because I got my other chart over here now running. So you can't see my live one, but it's on. Just to let you know. So anyway, we're trading this one here, and we're still showing that bull move. We're still showing a bull move, guys. So 14, 15, 16, 17. Dude, I just took a $2,000 trade down here, and I'm up 2,000 up here again. It's craziness. Remember, my target's up here, guys, about the 20. I got my limit set at 15, 20, but you never know. I think it's going to be more than, I think it's going to be actually right there at that. Hang on, I'll show you guys where I think it's going to be. Yeah, we're 14, maybe 16 area. So yeah, I'm probably going to move my limiter down because I'm thinking this 14, I'm going to put mine at 16 because for some reason I just have a really something strange here come over me and it's telling me, hey man, you might want to think about the 16 level there, 1575. So I hope, see guys, you joined at 983, man. You're doing fine. You're still 10 points up, 12 points up, man. You're doing great. Still bull market, still running bullish. Bears are behind us for now. Now remember, guys, take profits when you can. Don't let your profits fall off the table. You get up there in that range and you think you've got enough for the day, man, take it, because you can get a pullback and kill you. This is still not a pullback. This is an up. This is going to be an up candle for the bulls. Just to let you know. Don't be scared. Daniel, told you I could call this, man. This is walking y'all through a major trade right here. But this is a freebie from Global Trading and myself because, hey, had some friends of mine this morning said they lost a little. So I said, you know what? We'll go back on here this afternoon and get something. And we did. I don't tell people how to trade. I just trade and they follow if they want to. They get out when they want to. They do what they want to do. All I do is just put it up on the screen and talk about it. But I love it. I love trading and I love helping others. And that's why I do this. At the end of the day, guys, when I get off here, I'm I'm ecstatic about helping others help their families and stuff. You know, I think this is wonderful. What better way for me to bring something to somebody that I'm good at, you know? And I think Paul will be pretty proud of me for making 14 grand in 24 hours. You know what I mean? Uncle Paul. I'm sure Uncle Paul smoked me this week, but still, I come close. Gotta love him. Paul's a great man. I like him a lot. He's you know, when people say, "Oh, I want to meet the president," no, I'll stick with meeting Paul. That's a person I'd like to meet in person. We haven't met in person yet, but we will soon. Him and Damien both. People you learn things from. That's who you want to meet. Not some guy you've never, you know, not some guy, some idol president or some rock star. I'd rather meet a seven-figure trader, sit down with them and have lunch than any rock star. Because insight is what it's about, people. So look at this, man. 2,200 on the screen. Woo! Mercy me, guys. Daniel, you better be in this trade, Daniel. You've got to be in this trade, Daniel. Nikolov, how's it going, Manny? How's it going, man? You making money on this one? I seen you said you're 520 up earlier, and that was at 1428. So we've been in this trade longer than that. You probably topping $1,000 now at least. Yeah, y'all better put some smiley faces on the screen. Hit that like and subscribe button. Come here and join me. Now tomorrow we got a special guest coming in the morning, and he'll be doing the morning session. Special guest, and I'll leave that surprise up to the guys in the morning. You got 830 profit, man. That's just great, bro. That is great. See, turning profits in a room, that's what gets people in here and gets them to get the products that we use and gets everybody to make a big community. I want to have 2,000 followers. You know what I mean? 3,000. You know what I'm saying? And the word gets out that we're making great trades. Hey, they're going to come. I talked to about 1,400 dudes on a Discord a while ago at lunch, and more than half those guys are. My phone is blowing up because I didn't take the chart in there to their Discord, but I went there and said, "What are you guys doing?" No, this market's terrible. I go, y'all can go long right here, and they're like curious now. How'd you know that? So now they're all texting me. And I'm like, you got to come here to see it live. You got 155 profit. That's good. Oh, sorry, 50. Yeah, 50. Yeah, there you go, man. 1507. There you go. You made something off of that one, man. That's good, bro. You just got to get the. If you don't have the products, check out that link in description, man. Because this is why we did this. The trade manager showing these higher volume candles. I knew this thing was going to explode because the trade manager told me it was. And so if you guys get that trade manager, get that algo, the 6-star we took down here for $1,000, $1,200 just a minute ago. I took 12 here, 12 here, and now I could took 22 right here. So I mean, it's just craziness. Really good. I didn't quite get to my target there, but I think it's going to pull back. So I'll probably get out. I'll probably get out in just a second if it pulls back any further. I'm waiting to see if the Bulls will take back control, but we'll see here. Yeah, probably going to just wait a minute, just wait 1 second and see if we get the Bulls back in this thing. They're trying hard to keep this, guys. They really are. So let's see if they do it. Man, my nose is itching like crazy. All right, so $1,000. Oh, there's a pullback I don't want to see. I'm gonna wait and see if the Bulls try to take it back. 950, man, Daniel. See, I told you, bro. I got you. Got you, bro. Got you. Yeah, it's just a low volume pullback. It's still showing the uptrend, so we're gonna wait and see what happens here. $1,000, any under 1,000, I'll probably get out. Just waiting to see if she'll pull back. But I could have took it at 2,200 up here. There you go. The bulls are trying to ride the horse again. There you go. Saddle up. So we didn't take it. We didn't take the down yet, guys. We're still waiting to see if this thing's going to go back up again because the bulls are trying to hold this. And they're all fighting at the 97, 97.25, guys, 97.25. That's where they're all stacking at right now. Anything above 97.25, we're good to go. Yep, the 992 is that point of control. Yeah, that's what I was looking at earlier. We're sitting right on it now at the 92.50. Sitting right there. Boom. Almost where my line is, actually. Where's that? 92. Yeah, about right there where my line's sitting. That's perfect. Yep. See you tomorrow, Nicola. Glad you made some money this afternoon, man. Yeah, this is gonna probably reverse in just a minute, guys. But I'm gonna wait and hold it. See, she starts tinking down here. Catch the fall on it. I was waiting to see if I. There you go. Yeah, I got the 6 star. We don't have any alerts right now, so we're just taking this trade here. We'll get one in a minute. Boom, $1,000. Come on, stay with us. Remember, guys, to change your see, I wrote it down this morning. I hope I didn't mess it up. I think I wrote my note down. B, we have a changeover on the market side, so we'll see. All right, so she's going to try to reverse right here, guys. So boom, getting all that. Because now the bears are coming back, and the bears are almost getting ready to take it right here at the 90. Right, the bears are probably going to take this. If they take it, it's going to be probably around the 87.50, 86.75 area. Let's see if the bears take it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I had to redo my charts because of my manager, the cable guy, because I lost some connections and stuff, and I had to rebuild them. Let me try to put that back on here, man. I hope I don't screw my chart up because it did last time. That's why I took it off. Watermark. See what I mean? There it goes. See, it won't let me click the dumb thing. There it goes. Ta-da! And we want it on, I guess we'll do it on the top left. We don't want it in the center of the darn screen. Yeah, see what it does? It takes all my stuff off my trade manager every time. See if I can update it. Oh, nope. It's all right. It's something to do with motorway. Every time I add something to my chart, if I add something to my chart, I'm fine. If my trade manager is the last thing on it, it's the best. You know what I mean? There. There you go. Back on. Alrighty, guys. So no, I got it, man. I got it, Edward, for you. It doesn't bother me none to fix it real quick. It only takes a second for me to fix it anyway. So this is coming down now, and the Bears are getting ready to take over. They're not in control yet, guys. So this is not a short yet. I can tell you that right now. Uncle Paul's on vacation. But since I'm not doing the session in the morning, till we get a signal, we'll just have some fun and maybe take a couple cool, good trades. You know what I mean? We might get some signals. I don't know if we will. Some people say we might get nothing this afternoon. So we'll see if we can prove them wrong. We're going to get something, but they might not. You're welcome. You're welcome, Edward. And there it is. Bears have control now. Let's see what we got here. We got a level right there. 973 we got to worry about. 973 is something you definitely got to break, guys. Definitely. Definitely got to worry about 973. We're almost in the area for it to fall, guys, right here. The Bears got it, but not control of it all the way. That's why you're going to see the pullback come. See the pullback? No. It's no, sir. The manager is not saying it's going up. No. Right now, we don't have any signals for us to take on the trade manager as far as like the 6-star algo. I'm just taking a couple little trades before we get a signal. Because I'm waiting for silver because I know it's going to go. I'm watching it right now. But the N cube, yeah, you see that right there? There's that reversal I was talking about. Yeah, I run mine aggressive all the time. I love that aggressive. I love that aggressive because it helps me, man, slam trades. So you can see the pullback. That's why I said the Bears were in control, but not now. And that's why I was telling you guys, not now. I'll tell you though, when the Bears do get back in control of this by watching my other chart with my trade manager on my other chart, I'm looking at because it's bigger, it's wider, and I got my own personal stuff on there too, so it's kind of cool. Dun, dun, dun. Come on down. Beautiful. I love watching these other guys. The messages I'm getting. Some guys said this is scary. Oh my God, it's scary. Ain't nothing scary about this. You got the right tools. You have harmonics on here. Let's see if we got. I want to add something real. I know it's probably going to kill my trade manager again, but we'll see if it does. We're gonna put our harmonics up on the screen from Global Trading Software. These are harmonics, guys, just in case you know. I was just kind of wondering where these lines were sitting, and you can see right here, 38% retracement levels right here, guys, and that's just why we're stalling. Okay, remember earlier, Daniel, we had the 3861 retracement. Now the bears have taken over this because it's broke that level. Did I hit the wrong button? Maybe not. I'm gonna stop it here. Bingo. Just want to show you guys something because you see this. This is a pullback. Don't worry about it. So the bears have it. Okay, but the problem we had this morning, I'm just going to show you guys this. This 61%, 38.6 right here is crucial levels that we had this morning, and we fought and fought and fought in here, and it was driving people crazy. There's so many friends of mine lost money here this afternoon, 1 o'clock and now, because this thing was absolutely stupid in here. And they kept trading it. I told them, guys, don't be trading that. What are you guys doing, man? To wait for it to break, you know? That's just a crazy move. Don't be doing that. They did anyway. The Bears are in control for a moment. We'll see. I was up 240 right there. I should just took the 240. But showing you guys also, this harmonics is part of the global trading software. So I wanted to show it to you. And as you can see over here, we have a pattern over here. Boom, the Gartley is right there. So we come off of there, went big up out of that crazy move we were experiencing right here, all this consolidation. So we came back up. Look, we come over the 161 up here, came back down, dropped it to the 38 right here. We're sitting. So the 38 move right here is going to take you down. And I got this at 77. Take you down. The 100% line is right there. at the 69.25. Okay. But right now it's showing the bears still have it, but they're not doing. This is what I want to show you guys about how it fights between two levels on the harmonics. Harmonics is really good. If you guys don't have the harmonics for your charts from Global Trading Software, man, you ought to get the harmonics too. I think it's part of the bundle also, but it really does play a good part. When you see these up here, man, this really helps me a lot too. When I can go in here and look, well, okay, I'm at a 61. Here's that 100. Oh, it might be stopping right at the 100, or up here, you know, it went to past the 161. So it's kind of a good way to gauge it. Even though it's pulling back, the bears still have this. It's a bear day. Not always. I'm just having a great time this afternoon because I've already made over close right at $10,000 for the day. So I'm showing you guys some things while I'm waiting on alert. We're still waiting on alert. I'm just showing you guys a few things about the harmonics and things we do. Just throwing a trade on here. I don't know why this thing ain't pulling back down because the bears are in control, but it's allowed to cross over here in a minute. I see now what we're doing. There we go. Come on back down a little bit. So she's going to pull back, guys, but we are so low in the zone here on the down, okay? She's got to break. She's got to break to go lower, and she's going to have to break under this 61 here. And I'm really worried it's not going to happen. But it's okay. That's what I mean. Come on back down. We're working on it. It's working on coming back down to the bear side. It's just taking it a minute. Taking care of business. Okay, so basically the bears are saying, okay, we're not putting up with this. And they're wanting it bad right here to 61, guys. But hey, they might not win this battle. They might not win the battle. Yeah, they're not going to win this battle, guys. I don't think it's going to happen. Yeah, getting out of that. They're not going to win this battle. This thing's going back up, guys. I can tell you that right now. The Bulls have it. And we're sitting above the area where I think the Bulls are really going to push this. So 6-star could be coming in right here because the Bulls are really stomping on the Bears at this candle. The Bulls are like, nope, ain't happening, brother. Remember, you've got this 100% right here at the 992. That's also a major level of point of control between the Bulls and Bears. Right here, all day long has been the big move. And look, she's going to reverse down now, and the Bears still have it, like I said. So I got all my money back right there. I could have still held this and been fine, but it's all right. I just got out because I wanted to get out. Still got it on my other one. So basically, guys, if you use harmonics and if you use them right, you know, you can pretty much gauge these harmonics pretty good, man. I love these things because these levels, see that? Boom, here it comes, guys. There's your level. Bears still have it, like I told you. And look at this. Boom, bat pattern, bearish. This is a bearish bat pattern. Now, isn't that amazing? So there you go. So this is going to be a short. Now, if it breaks this 100, yeah, we're probably coming down. But remember, you got the bottom right here at the 68. Excuse me, 67, 75. So basically, if you watch this right here, the Bears are still in control. If you're trading this, the Bears are in control, just like they were when I said they were. So I guess you guys want me to show you. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm going to put my stop at the 38, right? Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put my stop at the 61. using the harmonics, right? Probably gonna hit my darn stop on me. I'm putting my it did before I get started. Crap. All right, 1 to 3, 2 ticks, no big deal. So basically, the bears still have this. Let's wait for it to go back down. I'll show you guys what I was talking about because I can only show you. I can't just point and show you. Any references, I'm visual. You know what I mean? The more visual I am with you guys, the better off we are. Yep. See, now it's running side by side, man. Bulls and bears are neck and neck right here on this candle, guys. Neck and neck. Get my pen down here on the floor. There you go. They're neck and neck right here. So nobody really knows, hey, what are you going to do? Okay, so we're getting an up move from the bulls right here. But the good thing is the bulls think they're in control, but they're not yet. See that? They're not in control. The bears are like, no, ain't letting you have it. It's not possible. Hope you guys don't mind my stories. Just trying to keep you entertaining. You know what I mean? You hear guys just call out numbers and all that all day. You got to make it entertaining. You got to give people something to be here for, you know? We're going to make lots of money together. We need to be entertained. So, you know, the bears are like, no, you ain't getting it. So they're still fighting right there. That's 61. I told you guys about the 61. T level right there. Bingo. And I want you guys to know that I've learned this pretty much by using this program and using the harmonics. I've taught myself a lot about this market. I mean, I've taught myself thousands of hours of doing testing and a lot of books and crap load of webinars. I've done every webinar Paul's got. And I think I've been through almost everything he's got as far as you put on the internet. So it's kind of cool. The bulls are trying to take it back here, guys, but you got to watch this because right now they're not in control. Okay. The reason I say that's because I know. So that's the reason. So 38 right here, guys. That's the 38 retracement right here. Okay. So boom, it's right there, guys, right where that white line's at. That's that 38 on the other side over here. So I'm just going to keep that there because it really doesn't matter now. It's on the other side over here. But I just keep me a line here for like another reference. This is your 38 right here. See this? Watch it stop right there. Why is it stopping 85? Because guess what? They want it. They're all right there together now. Bulls and bears both are meeting at the 85 to settle the score. So we break the 85, guys. We're going to be running up all the way up probably to at least the 1507. Or maybe first target 1503, second target 1507. If it breaks this, I'll buy it. We'll go up with it just to show you guys. It's only got about 30 minutes today anyway, and there's no signals coming in. The reason there's no signals is because the flat market, because of the Fed minutes, and I knew it was going to happen. Everything else is trading neutral sideways. There we go. I don't smoke my vape online, guys. So I kind of get out of the way when I smoke my vape. Not that it bothers anybody probably anyway, but still, I like to try to be at least, you know, not promote it online. Man, look at this crap. It's starting to say something else, but that's all right. Bears. These bears are killing me. Come on, bears. Let go. Go home. Come on, bears. Go home. See, this would be my profit right here because these bears are going to jump back on this. But it's all right, though. The bulls are going to take this back, so I ain't worried about it anyway. It's a bull. It's a bull run. It's a bull run, Damien. know if he's in there with us or not. Oh, mercy. It's a bull run. Yeah, we got to up market now, boys. Come on, Bears. Stay away from us. Okay, so we're crossing that threshold of bulls and bears. That's what it is. The bears are getting tired of feeding these high prices. But the bulls are loving it, and we're trying to come up. So, but we got a resistance level right here, guys, at the 93. Just to let you guys be alert of that. 993.25, there is resistance. You have no interest in the rest of the day. I know. Most everybody is. That's why we're just kind of messing around on here because, dude, there ain't nothing trading nowhere. Everything is sideways and neutral markets. Everything. And I'm getting messages and alerts. You ought to see some of the alerts I'm getting and messages I'm getting. People losing thousands. And I'm like, what are y'all doing over there, man? Yeah, that's all right. They're in one of those paid rooms. Paid rooms. Let me emphasize that. Paid, guys. We're free. Get that. You know what I mean? The free room made 10 grand today. The paid room, 0. I'm just funning with you, Damien. It's fun though. Yeah, I've got so many people who bailed offline today. They told me I'm not even playing with this stuff this afternoon. I'm like, well, hey, come join me. We'll mess around with it, Kind of walk you through some trades and just kind of talk about the stuff we have, the products we have, but just kind of kick around, and we got the trade manager going on. We got the spread algo going on right here, the 6-star and the buy here we got in, the sell we got in. So we made 2 good trades here, $2,400. That wasn't bad, you know. And then, we got all the other stuff. You got the bundles, links in the description of the YouTube guys. So it's fun. Yeah, it is. It is a lot of buttering about. I hit my stop right there. But yeah, it is. It's just being crazy stupid sometimes. But the bulls are still trying to control this. That's what I mean by guys by neutral markets and stuff. It's all right. We gotta wait for it to get out of the EMA cloud. There you go. I'm a bait. I want to see it break this right here, man. But every one of them is doing the same thing. Silver's terrible. Gold's terrible. We got 30 more minutes on our day anyway, so maybe we'll get something to break in the next 30 minutes. The Bears are going to try to take it back, but the Bulls are fighting right here at this level. Right there at the level I marked, guys, 85 on my screen. 85.08 is where everybody's fighting over it. 85.25. Got to stay below that to be a short. Just remember that. You got the 38% retracement right here behind it. So remember how we had a hard time breaking that 61 earlier. But see, I'm just kind of showing you guys I can trade the harmonic side. I can trade the signal side. I can trade the trade manager side. So I'm very fluent now. And the divergent side I can trade also. So I'm very fluent with this program. And I really, really like it a lot. Here she comes. Boom. Bears are not in control yet, but they almost are. It breaks this, let's see. Yeah, guys, here. Let it break like the 71, 72, 25, 71. 71, 75 down here. If it breaks that level, of course, you also got 67 down here, too, you got to worry about. So you got 2 levels here, 71, 25, 67, 68. Those 2 levels you got to break. Right now, the Bears are in control. This is going to go down further. I got thunder outside my window. I think it's fixing a storm, man. Is it storming at your house, Daniel? Because I know you live on the other side of me, like a couple hundred miles from me, but it looks like it's getting ready to tank. The bottom is going to drop out of the sky here. There she comes. Told you she bears out of control of this. So the Bears got control. If it breaks the 71.25, the Bears will control it down to the 68, 67.50, guys. But you got to start looking at it, but I'm looking at it right now. It's strong. It's a really strong down pressure on this. Yeah, so yeah, it's storming there. It's really storming here. I heard tomorrow we're going to get some really bad weather, dude. So I'm kind of glad I'm not on in the morning because we're expecting 75 mile an hour winds in the morning. Between 65 to 75. So yeah, I love Dallas, man. That's a great place. I like going to Fort Worth, man. There's a place over there I used to go to. I can't remember, it was a big country bar, man. I love that place. Back in the day, used to go in there, man, and just have a blast. Right beside a hotel and another big bar, big like God, it's like a big parking lot. I can't remember the name of the place, the Red River or something like that. Man, what a blast! That place is fun. Here we go. Come on. I tell you what, guys, it breaks this 67, 68, man. This thing's gonna roll. And she's pulling back big time. She's way down in the zone too. Is that Fred? But the Bears still have it, guys. Just to let you know by looking at what I'm looking on the screen, and they got it still. The Bears are rolling with it, trying to get it down. Oh, there you go. Caught my neck. Whew. I spent several hours last night going back through some stuff and just taking in some more stuff that I wanted to learn. And it's really paid off today, guys. 10,100, $10,200 today, 4,000 last night. I forgot what I made the market yesterday. I know I made something, but I forgot what it was, but it's all right. I know I'm up like 14.2 since yesterday. I can get another $3,000 trade. I'd be up 17.2 in less than 24 hours. That'd be awesome. Yep. The Bulls are trying to take it back right here. You can see the notch coming. Boom. Here they go. And she's way down in the range too. That's why the Bulls are trying to take it, guys. Because the Bears and Bulls are all sitting here at the 70 anyway. So they're thinking to themselves, hey, we took it down for a pretty good ride, made some money. I mean, pretty much hit the 161, like I said, right there, 65. So I call it 68. So I wasn't very far off. But the Bulls are going to try to take this back now, back to the 61 up here to the 79.25. So 86.25 is where I'd like for it to go, which is right here. Okay. But remember, POC, point of control, 85.25. So 85.25 is a good target to watch if it breaks the 982. Okay. Yeah, the Bears are pretty much getting flushed here, but don't, well, I'm not gonna say don't, but I'm not getting into it just yet. I'm gonna wait, guys, just for a minute. Now people are freaking out going short. Yeah, you go short right here, man, all you want to. Don't go short. I ain't going short. I'm waiting right here, guys. Because we got a bunch of bulls stacked up. Could be bear season. Bear season. Yeah, that's what it is, guys. All the bears are dipping down celebrating because they got us down to here. We'll see, guys. Yeah, we're still stuck in these ranges. Boom. Uh-oh. I think it's going to go up right here, though. I think she's getting ready to take off. Boom. Bulls are going to get back in control just any second. I know it. I'm going to wait and see, though. And we're just having fun this afternoon. I only got like 20 more minutes left. So I'm just having fun with you guys, showing you some of the products we use and just taking some trades. And, normally we trade all the signals, but we're not getting any because of the Fed stuff going on and the market being dumb. And I knew that was going to happen this afternoon. We already planned for it. I talked to two friends earlier today at lunch, and we already knew that this wasn't going to be great afternoon for any big things going on because the Fed minutes kind of ruined the day. And there it comes. Told you the Bears wasn't going to give up. Bears season. Bears season. And that's why I told you I wasn't taking no long here because, they wanting to keep it. They're really wanting to keep this thing down. They're so low right now. It's really low. It's going to have to bounce sooner than later. Looking left over here, you can see we have resistance right here. We broke that. 68, 161 retracement right there. Watch it bounce off that. Our level's down here, guys. This 925 is where she's going to probably wind up going. We're going to wait and see. I want her to break this before I enter a short. There it is. There's the break. It's a small one, too, and this is really getting low in the zone. I think this thing's going to turn around and go back the other way any second. It's just so far down, you know what I mean? The Bears have really pushed this way down beyond where it's supposed to be at this moment. As you can see, guys, we've already been here before, and we came to here. So potential targets about 943 if she breaks. Potential target. However, right now, she's so low in the zone, I think she's going to tip and go back the other way. Normally, I don't drink diet drinks, but this is pretty good. What did I tell you about dipping going the other way? There it is. Now the Bulls have it, almost, but not yet. Have to break this 100% line and breaks this area. If it breaks this EMA right here, I'm pretty sure the Bulls will be in full control. But see, we're bouncing around between those 161 and the 100, and we're bouncing around from the 38 to 61. So maybe the Bulls are going to try to push it back up to that 38% retracement, 83. But 83.25 would be a good level to look at for an up right here. Here it comes. It's going to go back up. The Bulls are going to take it really soon. I'd say the next candle will be your bull candle. Just calling it to say that. I might be wrong, but I'm just going to call and say, hey, unless these Bears take it right here, the 67.50. If they don't take it at 67.50, then the Bulls are going to take it back. Anything above 67, anything above 70, the Bulls have it. Anything below 70, the Bears got it. Just see, there it is. Bam. Told you next candle will be a bull candle. Okay, we have 30 seconds on this one, so we'll see what happens. We want this next candle to break up past that 73. Well, it's really starting to, it's getting loud in here. The storms are starting to worry me. Hope I don't lose connection, guys. If I lose connection because of the storm, sorry. It's bad out there. Bingo. There she is. The Bulls took over. The Bulls are taking over. The Bulls are taking over. So it's going to be like a short run probably, but hey, it's worth something. You know what I'm saying? Worth a couple $100. I'm going to go peek out my window. Looks like the sky's falling outside. It is darker than crap outside my window. It looks like nighttime. Told you it'd be worth a couple $100, guys. Kind of helps us with our day. Finish off our day in a good note. Good solid trade. Uses harmonics. And the Bulls still have it. I love these Bulls. Come on, guys. Keep a hold of this thing. You know what I'm doing? These guys are crazy. You guys probably hear that lightning? Wow, that thunder. Man, it's bad. It's like boom in my ear over here. Yeah, these Bears ain't going to give up. These guys just will not give this up. This is one of those things where you got to take short profits and run. Come on, guys. Take it back. Take it back, Bulls. There you go. Let's say the Bulls are going to take this back. We'll see. We want to be a Bull, not a Bear at this moment. I'm just going to hold it. Because I know the Bulls are going to take it back, so I'm holding it. It's like one of those ones where you got 250 profit, $3 in profit, man. Just take it and run. You know, run with the Bulls. Run with the Bulls. And of course, you could get slammed, kicked in the face by a bear, just like I just did. Man, these guys are just not letting this shit go. Wow, they're crazy. All right, he's gonna hit my target loss down here anyway. Like I said, guys, short profits. Here comes the heavy rain. Oh, we don't lose power, guys. If I lose power, I only got 7 more minutes anyway, guys. Or not 7 minutes. I got about 50 minutes left. And if I lose power, guys, if everything goes blank all of a sudden, you'll know that I lost power in my house because man, it is a major thunderstorm outside. And it's dark as night. Anybody still here with me? You guys are awful quiet today. Gotta give them bears time. Time to get their bear feeders in together there, I guess. Time to get the bears behind the cart. Good move now. Bears got control, finally. Yep, bears are back in this. Woo! Boy, I heard that one. That scared the shit out of me. This is a lightning like crazy. I seen the flash through my window right here, like boom! Like what the? All right, guys. So we didn't have really any trades. So just glad to show you some different stuff. We're using the harmonics and stuff like that. It's kind of fun. Finishes out our day. Tomorrow's the last day of our week anyway. I won't be on for the morning session, but we got a special guest coming in, so that'd be kind of cool. I'm doing the afternoon session tomorrow. But There it is, man. $420 right there, guys. So if you're in this, it's still the bulls have full control of this now. Okay. So now it's just up to taking profits. And about where my limiter is the perfect spot. About that 84.75 right there. I think it's going to be great for profits. We haven't even crossed into the buy area yet for the bulls. It will, though, when it crosses that 61% retracement right there. We're going to rock. But hey, I'll take 240.
Hey guys, can you hear me properly? Just let me know in the message if you can. Yep, you can hear me perfect. Okay, so I don't know what you guys have done to Mike, but he's clearly gone running away. God knows where he's run off to, but he's obviously scared from you lot. But I mean, to be honest, it's 9 minutes from the end of the session, so hopefully there was plenty going on there. So tomorrow is going to be slightly different. We've got a special. Yeah, he took his money, mate. So this is Damien. This is not Paul, by the way. So tomorrow we've got a special guest doing the session in the morning. It's another one of our customers. It's Vic Riley. He focuses more on stock options. He may take maybe 1 or 2 trades in a day, but the idea is that we figured for a one-off on a Thursday, he'd come and join us, and he'd kind of go through his process, what he does, and just explain everything, and go through how he basically trades his IRA. So he uses the stock options and that side of things. He goes through what he looks for, how he uses the software to do this, and if there's a trade, then he'll let you guys know. And then obviously Mike will be back for the afternoon session. Again, apparently he lost power in his house. I just had a message from him. So look, that'll be it for today, guys. Come join us tomorrow, though. It should be an interesting one. It's something completely new. Ask Vic questions. He's here to try and help, just give a different perspective, different types of trading, using different products, using some of the products that Mike uses, but using the Elliott wave as well. So come along, join us for those sessions as well. It should be good fun. It should be interesting, and like I said, it gives you guys a different perspective. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me, Damien@globaltradingsoftware.com. Mike will catch you guys on the afternoon session, but I really do hope we catch you on the morning session as well with Vic. Should be interesting, should be good. But for now, I'll catch you guys later. And like I said, any questions, just chuck me over an email.